Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of real estate investment. If you've been curious about how to start investing in real estate but don't know where to begin, you're in the right place. We'll cover the basics, share some essential tips, and help you take those first steps toward building your real estate portfolio. First and foremost, it's crucial to understand what real estate investment entails. Real estate investment involves purchasing, owning, managing, renting, or selling real estate for profit. There are various types of real estate investments, including residential properties like houses and apartments, commercial properties like office buildings and shopping centers, and industrial properties like warehouses. Each type has its own set of benefits and challenges, so it's important to determine which aligns best with your goals and resources. Before you jump in, it's essential to have a clear investment strategy. Ask yourself what you hope to achieve with your real estate investments. Are you looking for a steady stream of rental income, or are you more interested in buying properties? To renovate and sell for a profit, your strategy will guide your decisions and help you focus on the right properties. Additionally, consider the time frame for your investments. Are you planning for short-term gains, or are you in it for the long haul? One of the most critical steps in real estate investment is educating yourself. Knowledge is power, and the more you know about the market, the better equipped you'll be to make smart decisions. Start by reading books, attending seminars, following real estate blogs and podcasts. Learning about real estate trends, market conditions, and investment strategies will give you a solid foundation to build on. Next, you'll need to assess your financial situation. Real estate investment requires capital, so it's important to have a clear understanding of your finances. Determine how much money you can afford to invest and whether you'll need financing. If you're considering taking out a loan, make sure your credit score is in good shape, as this will impact the terms of your loan. It's also a good idea to have a financial cushion for unexpected expenses that may arise during your investment journey. Finding the right property is crucial. Start by researching different locations and neighborhoods. Look for areas with strong economic growth, good schools, low crime rates, and other factors that make a location desirable. Remember, the old saying location, location, location holds true in real estate. A great property in a not-so-great location might not yield the returns you're hoping for. Additionally, consider working with a real estate agent who knows market. Once you've found a potential property, it's time to do your due diligence. This means thoroughly researching the property and the seller and performing a detailed inspection. Look for any potential issues, such as structural problems, zoning, or legal disputes. It's also wise to get a professional appraisal to ensure the property's value aligns with the asking price. Skipping this step can lead to costly mistakes down the line. After purchasing a property, effective management is key to success. If you're renting out the property, you'll need to find reliable tenants and maintain the property. This can be time-consuming, so some investors choose to hire a property management company to handle these tasks. While this comes at a cost, it can save you a lot of time and hassle. Additionally, keep track of your income and expenses to ensure your investment is profitable. Lastly, always be prepared to adapt and learn. The real estate market is dynamic, and staying flexible will help you navigate changes and challenges. Keep up with market trends, continue your education, and be open to adjusting your strategy as needed. Building a successful real estate portfolio takes time, patience, and persistence, but with the right approach, it can be a rewarding and profitable venture. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more real estate tips and advice.